Today, I'm going to show you how to watch live TV on your computer. Now, there are various methods and websites for this, but my favorite is called locast.org. So go ahead and go to the website, and when you first get to the website, you're going to be prompted to allow location access. Make sure you hit allow. Then we're going to hit watch now, and you're going to get a list of channels in your area. So these are all the channels that are available to watch. Now you're going to hit login to watch, and just go ahead and register. Enter your email, password, and then if you don't want to receive emails for them, just uncheck that box and then hit register. Now you're also going to need to confirm your email address. Now once you've confirmed your email address, go back to the website, and then let me find a non-copyright channel here to use. We're going to try PBS. Hit watch now, and that's all there is to it. Free live TV.